welcome back to my channel. It's your girl K Rima, and today we're doing something a little cool, a little different. You're gonna be doing a little cooking with me. I'm gonna teach y'all how I make my own Jamaican style brown stew chicken. My way, my style. I hope you guys enjoy it. Don't forget to subscribe and give this video a big thumbs up. Also, leave your comments below. I love to respond. I love to hear when you guys give me your feedback and what videos you like so I can do more of that. And also, I upload 2 videos a week, so a lot of cool stuff coming your way, so please subscribe. Now we're about to head downstairs to the kitchen. You see me, I'm head wrap up and tie up and a pretty girl thing right there with now cook about for cook. So yeah, don't forget to follow my social media. See what your girl is up to on a daily basis. Check out the thing, support the thing. You don't know. Hope you guys enjoy. So today, this is pretty much what we're working with. We have all these really cool ingredients. We have sweet plantain, sweet pepper, scotch bonnet pepper, scallion, onion, mixed vegetables, some chicken wings. We got the rice. So yeah, these are the ingredients that we're going to be working with today. So yeah, I'm going to start by boiling my potatoes to prepare it for my potato salad. I just add a little bit of salt to the boiling pot. And so from here, I'm going to pretty much just peel my potatoes because I'm getting them ready for the potato salad and the boiling hot water. And then after that, I just cut them up into smaller pieces. That makes it a little bit easier and quicker to boil. So yeah, I just slice it down like so, like so. Pretty easy, pretty simple. After that, I pretty much just stack them and cut them down the middle once more just to make it easier, and just add it to the pot. Let it boil for a good, I would say 10 minutes is good enough. So after that, it's time to clean and season your chicken. I'm cleaning it with some lemon juice, adding a little bit of salt, pepper, some paprika, give it some extra seasoning, and of course we have the cayenne pepper to give it some extra spice, because you know we Jamaican love our food spicy. And then of course we top it off with some adobo, which is an all-purpose seasoning. From there, I just go ahead and start the rice. I just empty a little bit of peas in the pot. I'm gonna add some coconut milk. See there. Then I'm gonna cut up my ingredients to add to the mixture before adding my rice. So I have a little bit of thyme and of course ginger. You cannot leave out the ginger when it comes to rice and peas. You have to have a ginger. So I'm adding a little bit of paprika to the rice pot as well. You can see my thyme and my ginger in there. We're gonna make it marinate. Now I'm gonna cut up and mash up and add my scallion. Give it that nice little juicy flavor. Yeah. So now it's time to add butter and the scallion to the pot. We're gonna make that boil up and simmer a little bit. Now it's time to fry the chicken, the brown stew chicken. Yeah, I just pretty much just fry the wings down and make it get a little bit brown on its own before adding my other ingredients. So now I just prepping myself and getting the other ingredients cut up before adding it to the simmering part of the brown stew chicken. So it's sweet pepper pretty much. I just cut it up into little slices and little cubes. Salsa. What is add? Cool salsa like rum to put in my seeds. So now it's time to cut up my onions and just add it to the mixture of everything. Just get it up nice and chopped into little bits. Depending on how the size you usually like for the onions, but I like to cut mine out this way. Here we go. We have everything all laid out and ready for when I'm ready to cook down and simmer my brown stew chicken. Now for the fun part, the Scotch bonnet pepper. Now this is where the spice really come in. My fiance making a little bit of rum punch there on the side. Now you can see that the potato is nice and ready for mash it up and crush it up into little pieces. This is so satisfying. I don't know, something about crushing up potatoes. But you just mash it up, add a little bit of mayo. So usually I don't add all-purpose seasoning in there, but I'm trying something a little different today. Trying a little trick too, but here we add some sweet corn. Yes, look at my brown stew chicken. I know you guys can taste it through the screen, but it is as delicious as it looks. Now I'm just gonna take them out and have it drain a little bit on this paper towel before adding my ingredients and simmering that down. So I pretty much just drizzle a little bit of cayenne pepper on top. That's those red flakes. Now take a good look at my rice and peas. Yes, nice. Well seasoned, well looking right, the color looking amazing. So pretty much this is how I like my chicken to look when it's finished frying. This is before adding anything else to it. I like the color, the texture of it, and of course it tastes good. Look at that. It is wow. So I'm just gonna start making some fried plantain. I'm just gonna cut it up and fry it down in a pot of oil. I start by just pretty much slicing it up in a very manageable and cute size, I would say, and then putting it to fry.
Watch my waistline, bounce and I move to the baseline.
So now I have all my ingredients placed in the pot. I'm just gonna let that cook down a little bit before adding my chicken. I like to make the sauce, then add my brown stew chicken to the sauce. Everybody does theirs as a little bit different. I like to add a little bit of barbecue sauce. So now I'm gonna add some water to make some more gravy. I try to cook with less oil as possible, so I always like to substitute my ingredients with water as opposed to more oil. From there I just stir and just let it simmer for a little bit, like I would say a good 2, almost 3 minutes. And then now I'm gonna add these ingredients. Start with my soy sauce, a little bit goes a long way. And then I'm gonna go with a little bit of browning, not too much, like a dash, as we would say in Jamaica. And then a little bit of pickled pepper sauce. Like browning does nothing for the food. Like the point is just to make it brown. So yeah, time to fry the plantain because dinner almost ready. You want your plantain nice and fresh and not saggy. So yeah. Yes, everything looking nice and simmer. The ingredients is now all juicy. Oops. So yeah, and then from there I just kind of coat the chicken with the gravy, and I'm just gonna close the pot and let that simmer down and get all nice and juicy, and then we're ready to eat. Also, you can't leave out your vegetable when it comes to Sunday dinner. You have to have your mixed vegetables. So this, I just had a little bit of butter, salt, water. I make it boil down, and here we are. So yeah guys, this is the finished look for our brown stew chicken with rice and peas, potato salad, sweet plantain, vegetable, and some amazing rum punch made by my fiance. Please, if you guys enjoyed this video, give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe as well, and of course leave your comment below. I love to know what is your favorite go-to dish. Thank you for watching. Bye.